Superior High Wall Miners is the exclusive worldwide distributor of the High Wall Miner. SHM was formed in late 1994 after acquiring High Wall Miners in the Netherlands and the United States. SHM has offices and manufacturing facilities in Beckley, West Virginia, including 8 hectares and 9,750 square meters of modern facilities. The Superior High Wall Miner is a self-contained, highly productive, cost-efficient mining system. Now in its second generation, the miner features a rear discharge conveyor for high production mining operations. Designed with safety in mind, the system is operated and maintained exclusively on the surface, and at no time does any crew member go underground, thereby providing a very safe work environment. The remotely operated system utilizes a 3 to 4 man crew that can produce up to an average 5,500 metric tons of coal per day at very low cost. The High Wall Miner has now reached its highest level of performance with a proven record of safety. Using an electrically powered cutter head, the High Wall Miner advances into the coal seam, cutting into the wall of the mine and extracting up to 70% of the coal reserves from deep within. Depending on seam conditions, the High Wall Miner can penetrate depths of over 300 meters. Interchangeable electric cutter head modules have been developed to enable the system to mine varying coal seam heights, from 76 centimeters to 4.88 meters. Low seam cutter head modules can mine seams 71 to 163 centimeters. Medium seam modules can mine seams 91 centimeters to 3 meters. With high seam cutter head modules mining seams 127 centimeters to just less than 5 meters. The cutter head module attaches to the power head assembly in the center of the machine. 2 hydraulically powered cylinders provide 1,690 kilonewtons of force to cut into the coal seam, reaching depths of over 300 meters. The cutter head advances using 6-meter enclosed push beams. The Superior High Wall Rear Discharge Miner is available with the new generation push beam transfer mechanism, the PTM2. The PTM2 system stages a push beam above the power head, while the operator completes 6 meters of penetration. Then another push beam is lowered into place. Designed to reduce push beam handling time, the PTM2 significantly increases the machine's available mining time and productivity. As the cutter head pushes into the seam, the coal is transferred into a pair of 46 centimeter enclosed conveying augers. The augers move the coal through the enclosed push beams to the base frame conveyor to discharge at the rear of the machine. Depending on the mining application, an optional 1.5 meter belt conveyor is available with 180 degrees of articulation. The operator guides the cutter head forward, raising and lowering the cutter head boom with the use of a fully automatic programmable logic controller, or PLC. As the coal seam varies, the operator has full control of the machine with the ability to manually adjust the PLC while in the automatic mode. This proven technology allows the cutter head to accurately follow the coal seam, keeping out-of-seam ash dilution from 2 to 3% depending on the site conditions. Then the process is reversed. The power head pulls the column of push beams and the cutter head out of the mined hole. Push beams are removed every 6 meters. Push beams can be stacked to minimize site requirements. The process leaves a series of rectangular holes up to 3.7 meters wide, as high as the coal seam, and up to 300 meters deep. The High Wall Miner is guided from a control cabin 6 meters above the ground. The operator has a clear view of the operation. A Siemens industrial touchscreen computer makes operation and training easy. The system is equipped with a self-diagnostic feature for quick troubleshooting. With a touch of the screen, the operator can adjust all functions of the Superior High Wall Miner. With 4 hydraulically powered tracks, the High Wall Miner can easily be maneuvered to wherever it is needed. The machine has 360-degree mobility for precise placement at the site. A recent SHM development is the onboard machine anchoring system. Using two machine-mounted drills on the front of the miner, the operator can drill into the pit floor, where a high-strength pin is then shifted into place to stabilize the high-wall miner for deeper mining depths. On the retract cycle, the anchoring system can be used when tough pulling conditions are encountered. Powering the main system is a 16-cylinder, 1,560 kilowatt, 995-volt, 1,490 kilowatt diesel-electric generator system that is located in proximity of the high-wall miner. An auxiliary generator is used to power the control computer and lighting. Both generators are super silenced and mounted on crawlers for high maneuverability in rough terrain. The high-wall miner offers the mineral developer the opportunity to link surface and underground operations in a way that maximizes recovery dramatically. A crew of 4 is capable of producing up to 7,200 metric tons per day in mid to high coal seam heights and 2,700 metric tons in low coal seam heights. This advanced technology enables the recovery of up to 70% of in-place coal reserves. And very important, its ease of maintenance and self-diagnostic system yields up to 90% machine availability. The construction of the high-wall miner makes it very mobile and inexpensive to relocate. It is built in modules that can be disassembled in 1 day and reassembled in 2 to 3 days. The high-wall miner is the most cost-effective method of producing coal in today's market. It can produce thousands of tons of clean coal in contour strip operations with narrow benches, previously mined areas, or trench mine applications. To ensure maximum return for the customer, Superior High-Wall Miners will evaluate the potential high-wall miner site. We will evaluate the coal seam, estimate production costs, and train your personnel to operate and maintain the high-wall miner. In addition, SHM's service staff and our fully stocked 3,500 square meter warehouse are always accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Superior High-Wall Miner is proud of its recent international ISO 9000 certification. ISO quality standards ensure that SHM provides the highest quality product for its mining customers. Let us show you how Superior High-Wall Miner can substantially increase your productivity and recoverable reserves while decreasing costs. Contact Superior High-Wall Miners at 351 Ragland Road, Beckley, West Virginia 25801. Telephone number 304-253-0206 or on the web at www.shm.net.